Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and create a single block half pipe for our Lego Duplo marble run. I'm going to start here in a fresh thing. I'm going to go ahead and save now. And I'm going to call it a single block half pipe. That's just what I'm calling it. It's going to go in location Duplo block. I'm going to save. And I'm going to go ahead and create a sketch. I'm going to choose my XZ plane. I'm going to go ahead and hit a rectangle. I'm going to come around and get a center rectangle so I can go to the origin. I'm going to grow it out. I'm going to grow it out 1.252, tab 1.252, enter. I'm going to hit finish sketch. I'm going to then extrude that up 0.76 inches. Hit enter, and there's the basic block shape that all of them follow. I'm now going to go ahead and extrude a cut in for my half pipe. So I'm going to come over here and choose a face on the side of my block, and then I'm going to put a circle that has a diameter of 1 inch. I'll just type 1 and enter, and that puts that circle there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude that, not this way, but rather I'm going to go through, so it cuts. This will operational automatically change to cut. If it doesn't, you can always set it. If I set it to join, it would go like that, but I want it to be cut, and hit OK. And that's basically what I have to do. Now I got to clean up the bottom, so I'm going to use a method here where I'm going to use one that I already have made. I have a bottom over here, a single block bottom. Looks like that. It's 0.25 inches high. And it has the bottom already on it. So in order to do that, first I'm going to remove a part that I'm going to replace. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to sketch on any of the faces. I'm going to draw a rectangle that goes the whole way across, but goes 0.25 inches up. I'm going to control that by typing 0.25, enter. I'm going to finish that sketch, and then I'm going to extrude that as a cut to get rid of it. Okay. Now I'm going to come over here to this single block bottom that I have over my data panel. I'm going to right click and hit insert into current design. It inserts. I don't have to move it around to do that because I did that with a center rectangle also, so it inserts in the proper place. I'm going to hit OK. Now if I were to move this around, I can do that. I'm going to hit Control Z to move it back. And since it came in the perfect right place, I'm going to go to Assemble, and I'm going to do an as-built joint. I'm going to choose that one, and then this one. I'm going to tell it to be a rigid relationship. So now it is permanently attached. So go to the bottom, the top. That is a perfect working Lego Duplo piece that meets all of my constraints. So I'll go ahead and save it.